Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you an exhaust fan I installed in my kitchen to take out all the smell and any steam when I cook. This fan I bought from Amazon. It's about 66 and tax. So let's say I live in New York. It's about $72 or $3 it was altogether. I bring it and install it in my kitchen, and it's very strong. It sucks all the air from my apartment, so I'm always my apartment smell good. Another thing, the installation was very easy. Let me show you the line. You see this line? It's about 12 inch. This 12 inch. This way, I mean both way 12 inches. So if we go to the next picture, okay, another thing, let me show you. So this is the switch you're gonna get, this connector, and you're gonna get this cable, not a long cable actually. And I don't like about one more thing about this exhaust fan. You see those holes, those for installation, but the screws they give us, it was not it was about to pass through, so I had to put some washer on it, so to install it properly. Okay, let's go to the second page. So you're gonna cut out from your I actually cut from a door. It was a door to backyard, so I never go out to my backyard. So what I do, I just all the time the door is closed, so I take out a center of portion of the door and install it. So let me show you what size you need to cut. You need to cut dimension C. You see here C. If you come here, this is C, 12.20. So when you cut it, you can just place this fan on the door or on the wall or anything, and you just mark it out, and when you cut a little bigger, that's all. Another thing, I mean this is C and D, the same dimension. Here is C, here is D. That's the dimension you need to take out. Okay, let's go to the next page. When the fan is on, these shutters, 1, 2, 3 shutter gonna open. All the smell or odor or anything gonna go away, or steam. And when the fan is turned off, these 3 of them, they fall down and it's closed. So if somebody want to see inside your house from outside, they can pull it up and they can actually look through the fan. It's possible. But other than that, there is no way a fly or an animal can fly in because it's closed. Okay, another thing, you can see the rotation speed is 16.20 round per minute, which is very strong, and the wind speed is 10.5 mile per second, I believe. Here is the watts, 63 watts. It's not too much power consuming, so it's kind of okay. If you I'm using a 3.5 month. If the power consuming rise, then the landlord should talk to me, right? They are very happy because when I was asking them for an exhaust fan, they talked to somebody to install it. They were asking for $500 because I'll show you the video on the end of this video. My cooking range is almost 20 feet away from my exhaust fan, the fan I installed. That's why. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here is the switch. We already see that the dimension you can the speed you can control 50% to 100%. And then go to the last page. This is the thing you're gonna get with the fan, and here is the 3D picture. I actually get it from their website. So it's showing like maybe you have direct sunlight to you have a shed, or you have like a warehouse or something, and it's gonna be like very hot inside when direct sunlight hitting. Now if you have an exhaust this exhaust fan, they're trying to show, like if you have this one, it's gonna take away a big amount of steam. So that's all. Here's the picture you see. Now the video is coming up. Here you go, guys. I'm about to close this curtain. So when I start the fan, you can see this one going to come out. So this is closed, you can see. Okay, now we're going this way. It's about like how many steps? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my cooking range. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the fan we installed. You see those holes? See, I use washer, and this one I did not. It was not necessary. It's very strong. You see, and you see the outside shutter is closed. When I'm gonna start the fan, it's going to flow. There is a switch connected. It's nothing, just push in. Okay, so I'm starting it. It's starting out. See those shutter outside. This is the full speed, and look at this. That curtain is about my light is bulb is with sensor. So look at this. See, it's trying to come out all the air from there. Now I'm going back. So look, if I close it, see this curtain is going back. You can see slowly. And if I start it again, it's coming back. So let's check here. Now, is the fan working? Full speed, low speed. Low speed. Very low, which is actually 50% of the full speed. Now I'm going to push it to the middle. There is it is the medium, and here is the fast. This is too, how can I explain? It's too strong. The air is too strong. The curtain is, see, so it's flowing up. So if I just open it a little bit here, it's gonna go back. Yeah, you see. So if I close it, it's gonna come up. See coming up. See how strong the suction is. So let's go back again one more time. This is the fan. You can see it's strong, heavy, and when I close, like turn it off, you see those shutter gonna fall down. See, falling, and it's closed now. It's actually a little hard to see. So give me a few seconds. Let's stop the fan. So it's totally closed. You can see those little blue lines. Can show you it's closed. So I'm starting it again. See, it's opening all the way up. That's all. If you like the video, please share and subscribe if you want. Thank you.